Okay, so in this section, we'll be talking about further concept on straight lines and the linear models. Suppose we are given a straight line where intercepts are known. So x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b. Then you can just write the equation like this. X over a plus y over b equals 1. And here your slope m is minus b over a. And y-intercept will be b here. So we take an example. So we are given x-intercept is 3, 0 and y-intercept is 0, negative 10. So then we can think of like 1, 2, 3. So this is the point here. And the other point is 0, negative 10. So you can say here negative 5, negative 10. So then the equation of the straight line is this. And clearly you can see that this is the positive slope. So we can write equation like x over 3 plus y over negative 10 equals 1. That's it. Slope of this line will be minus b. So b is negative 10 over a is 3. So this is 10 over 3. You can see it's a positive, and that makes sense here. And then y-intercept is already here, negative 10. So b is negative 10. In this part now we'll be talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. Suppose we have two lines L1 and L2. The slope of L1 is m1 and the slope of L2 is m2. Then when they are parallel, so you can say L1 parallel to L2, then your m1 will be same as m2. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then m1 will be negative 1 over m2. We take examples. The first example we have 3x plus 5y equals 10, and the second one is given 15y equals negative 9x plus 10. We need to see whether they are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So from the first equation you can see the slope. You have 5y equals negative 3x plus 10. So y equals negative 3 over 5x plus 10 over 5. So our concern is here. So this is my slope, call it m1. From the second equation you have 15y is negative 9x plus 10. So then y will be negative 9 over 15x plus 10 over 15. If you further simplify, divide by 3, you get 3 over 5x plus 10 over 15. So we see that this is my slope m2. So my m1, m2, they are same. So these two lines are parallel. Second example, I have x over 3 plus y over 5 equals 1. And x over 5 minus y over 3 equals 10. So we need to check the slope of the lines. So from the first one, you can see slope is, if you write as y, so you get y over 5 equals negative x over 3 plus 1. Now multiply by 5 both sides, you get negative 5 over 3x plus 5. So your m1 is negative 5 over 3. Now it is the second one. So we have, you can say x over 5 minus 10 equals y over 3. Or you can rewrite as y over 3 equals x over 5 minus 10, or you do your own way, just find the slope. So then you can see from here we see y is equals, multiply by 3, so 3 over 5x minus 30. So you can see the slope here. m2 is 3 over 5 and m1 is negative 5 over 3. So this is just negative reciprocal. So these two lines are perpendicular. We take another example with linear models. This doesn't fit with a straight line exactly, but the trend is in a straight line. So we'll be using TI calculator and see the trend and then determine the best fit as a linear model. Further, it is given that t equals 0 corresponds to the year 1990. So we need to rewrite our table. So we are making our table years with t and the production with y in pounds. Since we are saying t equals 0 corresponds to the year 1990, so then we put 1990 as 0, and then 1991 will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, and then we'll have finally 4. And the production label we have just like 2, 5, 6, 8, 11. Now I take TI calculator and show you how to make plot and also check the linear model and then find the best fit. We need to do the following steps. First you go to stat and then hit 1 for edit. So if you have some information already there, you can clear it up, clear, enter. Now I need to put 0, then 1, after that 2, 3, 4, and then go to the other side, write your y values, which are 2, then you have 5, and you have 6, then 8, and finally we have 11. Now we need to go to the window to fix it so that we can see the plot. So we have x values, you can see 0 to 4. So if I take maybe negative 1 to 5 is good. And then y values, I have minimum 2 and maximum it goes 11. So let me take from 0 to 15. And now I need to go to second stat plot here. Press 1 for the plot. Now keep it on. Scroll down. We want to get a dot plot. Scroll down. Now we have data in L1, L2. And now you can go to graph. So you can see the trend. So it is going like this. It looks like it has a linear model. We need to find the model now. You can go to stat again. Go to calc. You can go to number 4, which is linear regression. Hit 4. Enter. So you are getting a equals 2.1 and b is 2.2. So we can say our slope is 2.1 and y-intercept is 2.2. So we need to write this one and then plot it again. So I'm writing my equation like y equals, since my variable here is t instead of x, I'm writing 2.1, that's my a value here, and x is replaced by t, plus b is 2.2. So this is the equation. You can go back here, type your equation, say 2.1, I can use variable x in the calculator, plus 2.2, and then graph it. See that the straight line going very close to the given points. So this is our best fit.